Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can sort reference list in Word. So highlight your reference entries but make sure do not include the centered reference title, and then go to the home tab on the top ribbon, and in the paragraph group you need to click on the sort button. And now select the paragraph, select the type to text, click on ascending and click OK, and you will see this error: the content cannot be sorted because it is a part of content control. So how you can remove this error? Okay. So for this you need to click anywhere inside your reference block to select the container box, and then you need to click on the drop down arrow at the top left corner of the content control frame, and then you need to click on the convert bibliography to statistics tags, and now highlight your reference entries, and then go to the home and click on this sort, and now click on this descending, and now click OK to proceed, and it has been sorted descending. And if you want to sort it the ascending, click on the home, go to the AZ arrow, click on the ascending and click OK. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can sort reference list in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.